It's one go start with this social media. Hey, it dey choke. Oh, it dey taste. It dey choke some people. They be Chris. Hey, it dey choke. Oh, it dey taste. Hey, it dey choke some people. They be Chris. Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time someone on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. For my new subscribers, thank you very much for joining the Nation family. And for my returning subscribers, you all are welcome. I remain your one and humble host, Prince Melvin. As when I see the last one, I know say it very sweet over years. Because when I know say recently, Mommy Bridget Benjamin, yeah, Mama G and Apia, they be there like live. So people don't see that video. Grinders they choke, they pain them because they don't say that kind of thing now. Mommy Benjamin go be like feeling so bad, but he enjoy himself for some corner. As they were some grinders or new picking way that they grow up for grinder for Dubai, they in the who talk say APM Global, Mama Tadaku, they don't enter the scene because as Kobosi and Mama Tadaku, they be talking Mommy Bridget Benjamin and the mommy as they recognize her as a mother in the community, the mother in the media, we don't do for day. Anyway, it choke now as they just see Mommy Bridget Benjamin appear yesterday with Mama G, they one crazy, appear they with Mommy Bridget Benjamin. It means say at the could enter the team for this two, they go on for the jack. We no say we no like Mama Ataraku from the beginning. We know very well because we ever say on the call she, especially on a uncle for Germany, they been a number one for coach Mama Ataraku very well. We know that one. So we name a strange thing where if we see people and be to union together, it will be like some kind of thing. Why these grinders they hate for see when people they commune together, when people they dine together? Because that video no, it choke them, yes. They will not say by now so no Mommy Bridget Benjamin go there for some place he hate go the hot tea that kind of thing as it thing they go on so but they don't say as the woman didn't say enjoy life or choke or it taste. And the funniest thing say upon all these Jack Jerry they go so now they put the call and name them say they be involved they put the name main king they should they quiet. It's in that way no it make another guy that the boy it vex them because they know say the other people that talk. Yes, and then the Dubai baby grinder go forward for talk say say they una go always consider the year saying they stuck our media say Epi marry Mama Tarako because of fame. If you Epi marry Mama Tarako because of social media fame, wait today. Are they not cool? Are they not good together? Una go wait, what that man marry person because of it that one that they love they come in anyway. So man be feel like a person because you know how to dance. Some man like it because the person be popular. Some man they married some person because it's the person that president you enter enjoy the power. Yes, and Epe enjoy the fame very well. That's nice. Now if first say married a celebrity wife and the celebrity wife don't put it off a platform. So now forget that thing. If that is just show na the neck wear on the shram. Yes, the wedding baby grinder, that neck wedding baby grinder the shram. You get that neck. Yes, because as na mommy the talk, na mommy the follow, na mommy the tell, na say talk the one. Some small thing one talk, na one talk the one. When I even did about money, say they pay money. Name na una so for they collect money for na China. So they and I even be surprised say una dey talk say una dey collect money from people dem una money una use go buy plot so the money una say na work on YouTube na money una collect people dem una go buy plot with am. Wetin man no go see am with the media e choke. Say person wey una dey call she back to back na im die with Mama G dey dey enjoy their life dey dey pop their champagne. Una dey make noise. Wey una say Mama Ataraku and Epie don enter the thing after una zeng una just wan find all way for bring inside any man for day. Yes, na wan find all way for bring people every day. So people dey not fit invite others together. I mean, then she don't get a great time together. Yes, because na thing wey Mama Ataraku do am. Mommy Bridget Benjamin be there wey know Mama G. So sometimes one thing that Mama Ataraku use that aspect for herself. Say, okay, me invite Mommy Bridget Benjamin, me invite Mama G, me then date together for a place, me then commune together for a place. It's not easy. Yes, when I say una know people they know. Una Mami for day, Mami to win of day, invite celebrities them, invite people them in and she done with you, community here. Since then, you know people them, but only online people they didn't know am. Me go call them, me pay me send the invitation letter, me then can't time people for that to win. Yes, me then she don't come in together. As you know, say you know people them. Now so it day. So I don't know when I looked it to like carry it to my head, say Epia Mama Ataraku, they don't join inside it in wait. And so No matter all the social media drag wahala wey take place, some people are totally very jealous when they see others are standing in front of them. Yes, especially in the grinder scam, when they dey see how people dey grow so their mind dey turn. That's just the perfect way dey under this thing, because you see am for this thing, so you get a lot of jealousy dey inside, you see a lot of greed dey inside, a lot of hatred be combined for all this thing wey dey happen, no matter what. Because wetin go be wey you go dey bring person, because you don call person name, you wan talk am for here, you wan talk am for here, na because wetin you hate the person, you jealous the person, and you no want to see that person make e be a better something for life. That's just it. Yes, then the baby grinder wey pikin talk about this Epie in meeting with mommy Bridget Benjamin and mama G. E dey talk say Epie no get nothing to do with UK. Epie dey na German. Wetin concern you whether Epie na UK or German? The first nationality of some person, yes, he been a German boy, but he don't married a girl with the UK nationality, so he prefer to go join the girl. Why una the dull so? Una dey for do na grinders. So how una dey ever dull so as in my class talking? So na really dull, seriously. So you the girl where you this my example, you dey for there at Dubai. So if you marry person with the person dey for Saudi Arabia, yes, and the man talk say me come out and join for Dubai, you know go one time. So now you must go join the man of Saudi Arabia. How na the behave so? Any come off for them just leave them in and just do their own. Because the dullness at times say it too much for the hate stay yish. Any no talk because you want just talk. She don't reason the talk the way you want to talk, and before you spit them out. So that it go make sense. See the dullness, so you don't talk of your video, say Epi na Jima man, wait till you do for UK. Name a dullness that way, you know, say marry a woman, where the woman they UK, he prefer go settle with UK. Ash. Any so I begin to turn my media. I see this post where they classify countries the way they watch porn. So Cameroon no future for insight, but the top leading countries in Africa. So now when I see that I boss laugh, I say ha. Now so it dey, and it's just that the porn website don't give the update them, but where they happen. So now I go on the comment section, I pick these comments then for the way I really see them. I was like, oh okay, it means say na internet palava the worry Cameroon, because she say Cameroon forget strong internet, it means say for bad though. And yeah, I too see this robe where people they ever tie and for dry clothes on top. They say that the new trend in that way man picking they use them for make tie day for wear on top of that suit. I just imagine the kind man because they wear this fashion, because they way some man will just vex with you, they go drag that TV and naked. Only the way you go you go tie and naked, you know believe. Enjoy your stay here. Thank you.
Them in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Thank you, our drink. How many hours from London to here, Mom? 3 hours and some minutes. Okay. Like 3 hours, 15 minutes, but I took long because of traffic. Okay. Okay, we are enjoying our drink, our opening, my beautiful children. Oh, I'm blessed, oh. Hey, mommy, the biggest mommy for 237. Yes, so. Die, make it. Mommy, Mommy, CEO. Mommy, CEO. Oh! 1, 2, go.
When see the way people they really enjoy themselves, say people they being fantastic, happy time to discuss why someone they will constantly talking about the person and this person don't they inside this drag with the media. Now just see the way they. And yeah.